Buying a used car can be tricky. How do you know if the seller is being honest? What if something is wrong with the car? That's where Wisedrive steps in. We inspect the car for you so you can make a confident choice. Our experts conduct a thorough engine health check, ensuring everything is in top shape. We assess the car's transmission to make sure it operates smoothly. From lights to onboard electronics, we ensure all electrical systems are functioning perfectly. We thoroughly inspect mechanical components to guarantee safety. We capture detailed photos of the car's interior and exterior, so you know exactly what you're buying. We run an OBD diagnostic scan to catch any hidden issues before they become a problem. Our detailed history and crime checks ensure the car is safe and legally sound. We verify the car's financial and insurance status, along with any outstanding fines. We give you a fair buying price recommendation based on the car's true condition. We also provide a detailed repair estimate to help you plan for any necessary fixes. With Wisedrive, you can trust the car you're buying. Book your inspection today and drive with confidence.